What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be ripping out the subfloor. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor and click the subscribe button and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, so what we're doing today is ripping out this underlayment, this particle board subfloor that was underneath the vinyl. And basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to have to hammer and pry out all these nails. Alright, so we're going to take our skill saw and we're going to set the saw depth to a little less than the thickness of this underlayment, which is about 3/8. So I'm going to do it a little less than that. I'm going to run it down the middle so then we can pry it up from the sides. Get your biggest crowbar, put it under there. We're just going to start chipping it up. Alright, as you can see, it's not very difficult, it's just very labor intensive, so make sure you eat your Wheaties in the morning. And also make sure you wear one of these masks, a good mask, because you don't know what these underlayments and old tiles and vinyl can be made of. It can have asbestos in it. But yeah, that saw trick, running the saw down the line and then giving you that ability to pry up from the cut really makes quicker time of removing the floor. I don't know why anyone would have covered up this beautiful floor, but I'm going to finish this up tomorrow, but that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.